I'm so happy to be visited by Handwash Campaign. I'm so happy for this day, and I invite you to come again to visit us and teach us many things which can help us to go and pass in many days. In our days, we are able and happy to apply those techniques we are taught with you. Yes.
Today it was a good day since morning. We had a great moment with you. Through different activities we did, hand washing, singing, dancing, and we thank you for the activity we did, and we would like to come back if you want. Thank you so much.